Office 360 education, and just type your Rio Hondo College email. And this is my Rio Hondo College email, and then just get started. It should, yeah, go over here, and I'm a student, and just register. I have an account already, so you guys can just like register and just follow the step with it. It should lead you to like once you have created an account, you should be able to download all the Office 360 stuff.
Including the Microsoft Access?
Yeah, for
Okay.
hold on. Yeah, over here like you can download all the like install Office like all of them.
Yeah, Candice, but this one don't have access.
I think you have it.
No.
I have it on my laptop.
Yeah, you have it in my laptop. For this one, you want to install. So Candice, you show everybody install, right? But this one install, they don't have Microsoft Access. You check here, there's no Microsoft Access. Okay. But they can go to your Microsoft.com and to start to see if they can have Microsoft. They can, yeah.
Professor, I have a question.
Yes, yes.